Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to I'm going to do an unboxing of the Keystone 3 Pro, and afterwards I'm going to show you how you set the Keystone 3 Pro up. And yeah, let's just start into this video after the intro. Have a great So the package came with a box there and a box like this. And so when you open the box up, you'll see the actual wallet, and then you have a charger on the side. Okay, so we are now going to take that out. So you have a device. Let's just see. So when you turn it on, my hand is quite big, so you can do a comparison. Half my hand is this thing or wallet. So you have the actual start screen, and then when you click that yellow button, you will come into a other screen like so, and then you'll choose your language. So I want to have English, and then you have a QR code to scan. So you go into the website called keyst.1/verify, and then you can verify the device. I've already done this, so no need to do it at this moment. We are going to see what more is in the actual package. So you have your charger on the side there, and then you have a box that goes up like so, and then you will have two things. So this is the actual guide, or how you actually set the device up, etc. And then on the other side you have a card section, and here you will have several different things. You will have some kind of, really know what this is, but so here we have a thing, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards. On these cards you have 1, 2, 3 up to 24 digits, and this is quite great actually, because you can write down the code, and you can have one in your safe, and you can have one in somewhere else where you put things. Do not lose this code, okay? If you, let's say you have $10,000 on your account and you lose this card or code, your money is officially gone. Okay, so this is very important. This is something you should take care of. And yeah, let's just dive into this video and we will see the actual process here. So I will click the skip, and firmware update. I have a I copied an update on a small SD card. You will go into the keyst.1/firmware, and you can just copy the bin file over to the actual card. Okay, and then you will come to this page here where you click the, let's see, the update. So now it's actually updating everything on this device here. I've never set this up, so this will be, I will pause the video several times to actually get everything set up right. Okay, I will not show you the actual seed phrases, but it's quite self-explanatory. You have several different words on the screen. You will write the words down on your card: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. And then I will just pause the video, because as you see, it's at the moment updating the software on the device, and I will start the video again once this is finished. So I stopped the screen and actually created another one because this will probably be a better way to show you everything. So now we have a new wallet, and we will click on the actual there, and then you will set a pin code so you can have whatever you want to. Make sure you write the pin code down on something. You can write it down on that card. I'll just write like so. And then you will need to repeat the pin code once again. And then you come to the screen here, name your wallet. So then you can name your wallet whatever you want to name it. I will name it main. And then you click enter on the tab there. You can choose whether you want to choose backup method. Choose the method you'd like to back up your seed phrase. Standard seed phrase, 𝐂𝐲𝐻 backup with higher security level. I will choose the seed phrase. And then you will have every single seed phrase on the screen. It starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and up. I will not show you this because this is my personal wallet. I will show you the code, but it's self-explanatory, very straightforward, okay? I'll pause the video again and come back to you when we have written down these words, okay? Now that you come to the next page, you will come to a page where you see all of your actual words or key phrases in a phase that you will see all the words on the screen, and you will need to check your card. So on your card you have written down all the words like so. Like you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will see a lot of words on the screen, and not in a number chronological way. You will see the words scrambled, okay? So you will need to see, okay, so let's say the first word on your card is door. Then you will click and find the first word of door on the screen, and you will click that. So if the second word is bar, or bar, you will find bar as number 2. Let's say the third word is possible. You will need to find possible on the screen and click the third word, or click that. And you will do this all the way up to 24, and when you're done with this, you will click the next button, okay? Once you've done all of this, you will come to a screen where you actually see the 2 wallets, okay? So you will come to this screen here, and you will see 2 different wallets on the screen. These are wallets that's pre-built into the device, and it's your wallets with your key phrase as the key phrase. You can do several different things. Let's say we want to have a Bitcoin address. You can click the Bitcoin address. What I like about this device is you have a option here to click on generate new address. And when you click this, you see the QR code change, okay? All of these addresses are to your address or to your wallet on this device. Every wallet is actually stored on the blockchain, but you can see the funds, and you need this device to actually send out, okay, the money or receive money. So now that you've set everything up on your device, you can type your PIN that you've created to open the wallet. You have 2 different wallets on the actual device. You have the 3 dots in the top screen there. If you click those, let's see. If you click those two, you will have two different options. You will have the option to click on the device, then you can see wallet settings, you can see and you can even add wallet, and you will need to type in your PIN, and then got it. It supports free wallets on the actual device itself. This is great. You can even have a fingerprint or passcode setup. So if you want to set up the actual fingerprints, you will need to click on fingerprints and then fingerprint settings. You will need to type your actual code again, and then so you will need to, you see a like so, and you will need to place your finger on the sensor and remove it when you feel a vibration. And then the fingerprint is on the back side, like so, near the camera section. So you will do this all the way, touch, do not touch. And you will need to touch several different places on the button. And when this has been done all the way, you will see a added successfully done. So now you can use your fingerprint on the right hand fingerprint. So the other things you have in here is you have system settings. You can choose whether you want to wipe the device. This is not suggested if you have money on the device, but if you want to have, if you did a review like this and you want to wipe the device and create a separate or completely new wallet, you will need to click that. You can also click on the verified device. You will need to go to this website and scan the QR code with your mobile device. You also have a connection setting, so you can data transfer with USB. And you can also click, when you click the three dots up here, you will come to Connect Software Wallet. You can connect MetaMask, OKX Wallet, Blue Wallet, Rabbi, Safe, Block Wallet, Zapper, Yarn, and SushiSwap. Let's say we want to connect the most connected wallet, it's MetaMask. Then you will get a QR code on the screen and you will need to open your mobile device and you will go into the actual MetaMask. And what this does is connects your device with your MetaMask. So when you are in your MetaMask wallet, you will need to click this button on the top right side, and then you will come into the actual camera section and you will do it so. Hold it like this. And then after this is done, you will have the ability to connect several different type of wallets on the device. I've not figured out how you can add more wallets, like how you can actually add, let's say you have a separate wallet you want to connect, or you have other types of currencies, like let's say you have Cardano. It's no Cardano on the screen, so I will do a separate video on the device when I figure this out. But if you want to send money to someone else and you have their QR code, you can click this button below here, and then you will come to a screen where you can use your device camera and scan and transfer the money. So this was a basic of the actual device itself. My hand is quite big, okay, so the device is kind of, it's quite big actually, because my hand is big, so it's, I do not have a thing to actually, but this is the card and this is the device. Okay, and you see the thickness is around that thick. So it's not that thick, but it's not too small as well. I would do a separate video where I do a Keystone Pro wallet versus the Trezor Model 1 wallet in a next video. I hope you liked this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video for future videos, and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you take care and make sure you learn as much as possible, and eventually you will learn. Have a great day. See you next time. Have a great day. Take care.